Hey, this is Ivory with MunchieGoddess.com, and today I'll show you how to roast garlic in the air fryer. This recipe is super easy, and you can use roasted garlic for so many different things. Garlic turns out tender, caramelized, and so delicious. For the ingredients, you'll need 1 garlic bulb, butter, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Start by preheating your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 20 minutes. Next, slice 1/4 inch from the top of the garlic bulb. After that, place the garlic, cut side up, in the middle of a square piece of aluminum foil. Drizzle the garlic with some olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. And add the butter to the top. Next, tightly wrap the garlic bulb with the foil. Add the wrapped garlic to the air fryer and roast for 20 minutes. Once done, remove the garlic from the air fryer, let it cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me for more easy air fryer recipes.